Joe at Big Joe's Outdoors. Today I'm gonna be cooking an emu egg, which I ain't even got it out of the. Yeah, let's get it over here. Oh no. I'm working on building me a cooking area over here. Not right here, maybe up against the fence. I started putting my fence back up from the hurricane. And we still got, crap everywhere. But this little guy right here was the first egg she laid. So we're gonna see how she turns out in the cooking world. So lay it next to on the grill. I got my grill out. I got some bacon. We're gonna cook the bacon first. That's how I cook my eggs. So we're gonna cook bacon, and then we're gonna put that in the bowl, and then we're gonna cook the egg, and we're just gonna scramble it. Trying to cook it whole. From what I've seen other people doing is a pain. I mean, I was originally just gonna stick it in a pan, put it in a grill, and let the grill do the work. But I'm going to scramble it. It seems like the right way to do it. And then a friend of mine that raises emu said, yeah, they're weird. So I'm going to avoid too weird by scrambling it. So let's get started. I'm going to fry the bacon first. And this is a pretty nice little stove right here. You turn it on, clicks. You can't see it, but it's lit. Alright, I got bacon. 4 pieces seemed appropriate for an egg is as big as a dozen chicken eggs. So let's get this frying. The wind is killing me on this. Can't help it today. It's windy. It's supposed to rain, so I was trying to get this done before the rain. It's lunchtime now, so this is effectively going to be my lunch before I get back to digging holes for the poles for the fences. I still got to make a duck area, a big two-piece duck area for some Muscovies that I got running around the yard. They're kind of done with them running around in the street. I'm afraid they're gonna get run over. But, yeah. Let's let this cook and be back in a minute. Just got the handle hot. The wind's blowing across here. Getting everything hot on this end. It's kind of crazy. But this is a great little stove, camp stove, Coleman. Uses the canisters. The only thing that's annoying is it uses the canisters. I wish I could have got a propane one, but these were dirt cheap. And it saved us during the beginning of the hurricane because we were cooking off this thing every day. I mean, with this and my brother's little egg smoking thing, we would throw big chunks of meat on there and cook them, and we'd cook everything else on this. When we could cook on that, because between houses and running around putting tarps on my uncle's house and my mom's house and everybody else's house, so we needed our help. But we got this. I had this already. It's just a little camp stove that I use when I get bored and I want to eat breakfast on the side of the bayou. So this is works out. So I'm not gonna crispy the crap out of this because of it's cold out and it's windy and it's gonna take a bit, but I don't mind it this way. I like bacon just barely cooked, just browned up a little bit. So I'm gonna let it cook a little bit longer and then take it off. Just give it a few more minutes. Alrighty, bacon's done enough. I got plenty of oil in here to make sure the egg gets cooked pretty good. And part one's done. Get oil in the pan. Look at that tasty bacon. Something to snack on while the egg cooks. I might turn my old Jeep into a big giant barbecuing area. Been a table for me for a while cooking out here. Alright. It's all sweaty. Let's see if I can get this in the picture a little better. Alright. It's all sweaty. I had it in the fridge, which normally I don't even keep eggs in the fridge since all my eggs come out of my yard. I don't need to. But now to crack it open. I'm going to try to use this. I don't want to totally damage the egg. I want to be able to use it for, be able to glue it back together. Or at least give it to my brother so he can glue it back together. Alright, that seemed like it did the thing. Oh yeah. Oh, look at that. That is awesome. And it's frying. See if we can get a close up. See how clear that is? That's cool. Chicken eggs are a little cloudier than that. But my chickens get all kinds of weird food besides just grains. I give them grass and they seem to thrive on it. So, alright. Now the part I really didn't want to do because I didn't know if we would cook right, but I'm going to scramble it. Hopefully we have enough chances to do this more. Oh yeah, that's thicker. It's thick like a goose or chicken or duck egg. If you had a baking recipe that required a dozen eggs, this would be your ideal egg for that. Alright, let's let her cook now. Probably gonna take a big cool egg in the pan, cool it down. I think even my turkey eggs were thick like this. You can't wait for them to start laying. I gotta get still fixing the house, so there's that issue, but yeah, I think I'm gonna let it cook and then try to put pieces over on top of other pieces. This is not bad. Doesn't look bad. Looks like egg. You know what I mean? Looks like egg. Might have been blended better, looks wise, because the egg whites on these guys are like really white. If you took it and blended it before you stuck it in, this would feed everybody in the house. Throw some onions and some sausage in there. The chickens are celebrating. They're always celebrating. Still had egg goo. So clear. Well, have to dry it up. Salt it up so it preserves the egg on the inside. Use the salt to scrub it out. Speaking of salt, we haven't put no salt or pepper on this yet. And I wanted to keep it simple. Something everybody's used to. So I got these now. Little cheap fish shakers, which I could keep in my truck because, you know, I do a lot of riding around, so I do a lot of eating in my truck, especially at lunchtime. Should be enough. Got used to cooking a dozen eggs at one time, so yeah. It looks strange because the whites don't cook totally white. Well, it's still not 100% dry. I don't want to dry it though, that's the thing. I heard that they stay smushy, but this doesn't seem like it's staying smushy. Maybe the little YouTube short I was watching just didn't know how to cook right. Give it a minute and let it cook, brown up. I'll be, you know, let's snag a piece of bacon. I think it looks just fine. Oh yeah. That is a scrambled emu egg. I'm going to turn this off. There's a can release on here. Just release the can so it don't continue, so I don't lose the can pressure. If there's a leak, a small leak in the connection, you can avoid that. I felt the rain drop, so here we go. Let's get this done. Yeah, luckily we got it done before it rained. I'm getting dripped on, the camera's getting dripped on, so let's give this a try. Yeah, it's hot, but it tastes like chicken egg. I'd say somewhere between a chicken and a duck egg, because it's still got a good flavor. I can taste the bacon in it. But salt and pepper was just right. I don't know. I like it. That way, at least I know my eggs ain't going to waste. If I can't sell them or hatch them out. Oh yeah, emu egg is good. Top, really good. So, it's Joe, Big Joe's Outdoors. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and we'll see y'all in the next one.